A drone strike on an Israel-linked ship in the Strait of Hormuz has set the vessel on fire. With tensions soaring, what does this mean for global oil shipping and your energy prices? Early April 4, 2026, Iran's Guards naval forces announced via X that a drone attacked the MSC Ishyka, a ship linked to Israel in the critical Strait of Hormuz. The vessel caught fire following the strike. This area is a vital global shipping route for oil, making any damage here deeply concerning for international trade and energy markets. The Iranian forces posted the attack details publicly, signaling a sharp escalation in the ongoing conflict involving Iran and Israel. The attack on the ship is part of a broader surge in violence. Loud explosions rocked Jerusalem with at least 6 blasts reported, as Israel warned of incoming missiles from Iran. This comes more than a month into a conflict that initially sparked from Israeli operations. The missile alerts and ship attacks indicate a dangerous escalation that threatens to destabilize the Gulf region further. Adding to the tension, Iran has imposed a blockade on the Strait of Hormuz for weeks. Despite this, the U.S. president claims Washington can easily reopen the vital waterway, which sees a large portion of the world's oil shipments pass through. The blockade and attacks on ships highlight the strategic importance of controlling this narrow passage and the risks to global energy security. In response to the growing crisis, Iran announced it is collaborating with Oman to create a draft proposal for monitoring traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. This initiative aims to provide some oversight over the vital shipping lane, potentially easing tensions. However, given recent attacks and blockades, the effectiveness of such a proposal remains uncertain as the conflict intensifies. Beyond the maritime attacks, the conflict's impact is felt on land. The Tehran psychiatric hospital in Tehran suffered damage amid the ongoing U.S.-Israeli operations against Iran. Fortunately, authorities report no casualties, but this highlights the increasing risk to civilian infrastructure amid escalating hostilities. With Iran escalating attacks on Israel-linked ships and missile strikes over Jerusalem, the Gulf region stands on the brink of wider conflict. The Strait of Hormuz blockade threatens global oil supplies, potentially driving up energy costs worldwide. Stay informed as this situation unfolds. Subscribe now for daily updates on this fast-moving crisis.